Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 45.46 points, that is 0.06%, and settled at 73,466.39 points. Nifty 50 is flat and settled at 22,302.50 points. Bank Nifty is down by 264.25 points, that is 0.55%, and settled at 48,021.10 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 361.85 points, that is 0.73%, and settled at 50,036.30 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 94.00 points, that is 0.57%, and settled at 16,461.05 points. Balaji Amines, a company which is specialized in manufacturing methylamines, ethylamines, derivatives of specialty chemicals, and pharma excipients, has posted its financial results for the fourth quarter ended on 31st March 2024, along with a dividend of 11 rupees per equity share. Revenue down 12% to 413.9 crore rupees versus 471.4 crore rupees. EBITDA up 4.9% to 97.7 crore rupees versus 93.1 crore rupees. Margin expands to 23.6% versus 19.75%. Net profit up 31% to 72.5 crore rupees versus 55.2 crore rupees. Wealth First Portfolio Managers Limited has posted its Quarter 4 results. Quarter 4 Cons net profit 136 million rupee versus 11 million rupees. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Delta Corp is in pact with Alpha Alternatives Fund Advisors to establish a real estate development platform to deploy up to 765 crore rupees for residential redevelopment in the Mumbai metropolitan region and other areas. Company to invest 90 crore rupees in platform for 11.76% stake. Bharat Forge shares soared over 15% to hit a fresh 52-week high of 1,474.4 rupees on 8th May after the company reported a 59.3% year-on-year rise in net profit for Quarter 4 financial year 24 at 389.6 crore rupees. The stock closed at 1,438 rupees on NSE. The positive management commentary regarding future profitability also seemed to have boosted the stock price. The stock closed at 1,438 rupees. Sterlite Technologies Limited reported a consolidated loss of 82 crore rupees for the fourth quarter ended 31st March 2024 due to a decline in the optical networking business. The optic fiber maker posted a profit of 63 crore rupees a year ago. The company's consolidated revenue from operations declined about 39% to 1,140 crore rupees during the quarter from 1,872 crore rupees in the March 2023 quarter. FY24 had its challenges, but we were resilient in actioning our priorities on customer, cost, and cash. We see the market turning gradually, and early signs of this are visible in our customer discussions and order volumes, Ankit Agrawal, Managing Director, said in a statement. Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman said, under the leadership of PM Narendra Modi, PSUs are thriving, benefiting significantly from the culture of professionalism infused in them along with increased operational freedom, she said. To back her claims, Sitharaman said centers' focus on capital expenditure and greater alignment of management incentives have led to a better stock performance and higher investor confidence. Sitharaman said, adding that gross non-performing assets have declined to a decadal low of 3.2% and profits are at record highs. Shares of pharma major, Dr. Reddy Laboratories fell 5.2% in Wednesday's session on BSE to hit the day's low of 5,952 rupees and 10 paise as the brokerages were not impressed even after the company reported a 36% year-on-year jump in quarterly net profit. The company said that the jump in YoY net profit was largely driven by growth in global generics revenues in North America as well as emerging markets. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories revenue also increased 12% year-over-year to 7,083 crore rupees. However, on a quarter-on-quarter basis, the net profit was down 5% and revenue dropped 2%. The EBITDA margin was down by 290 basis points. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.